S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science. Hey, I want to be a scientist. S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science. Hey, I want to be a scientist. Hello students, and welcome to science class with teacher Alec. Come back for another semester. We have a whole new bunch of science experiments, including STEM experiments, so you don't want to miss it. See you next semester. We can see it's floating and staying at the top. But what if I increase air pressure by squeezing and holding? You can see it sinks. And when I let go, it comes back. If we squeeze a bottle and increase the air pressure inside, it begins to sink. And if I let go, it rises back to the surface. Very good job today, guys, and see you next time. Goodbye.